Hey, I'm so glad that you are here watching this video because that means that either you are a mobile mechanic already or you want to be a mobile mechanic. Well, let me tell you that you are in the right place. I'm putting together a series of videos on how to build a successful mobile mechanic business. In these videos, I will share with you my own experience as I've been a mobile mechanic for about 3 years now. If you are a mobile mechanic already, watch my videos. Maybe you can learn something from me that you can implement in your business. Also, let us know in the comments what you are doing differently so we can all learn together. If you are not a mobile mechanic yet, don't worry because I got 26 videos for you to learn from so you can start making money from the beginning and build a successful mobile mechanic business. You will learn from 0 to 100 from things like invoices, advanced marketing, receipts, the accounting for your business, etc. So this series of videos is for you. So let me know in the comments what do you think about the videos and what else you want me to talk about. Which brings me to my next point, which is comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And here's why I ask these 3 things of you. If you comment on my videos and you hit the like button, this helps me with the YouTube algorithm so that YouTube pushes out my videos to more people so that more people watch my videos. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that every time that I upload a video, you get notified that I uploaded a video so you can watch it on your own time. And this helps me a lot. More people watch my videos, more content I can make, and the better quality content I can make. Because let's be real, if nobody is watching my content, then why make the videos? Why spend all this time to make the videos and nobody is watching, right? So help me with those 3 things that I'm asking from you. Thank you very much for your support. So let's go do those 3 things right now.